Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, yesterday we saw a perfect bounce from the support of 1.0800. We had three support levels on the chart of Euro USD and we saw market bouncing from the first support. So first of all, let's have a look at the chart of DXY US dollar currency index. Yesterday when DXY was trying to recover, I clearly mentioned that though DXY is showing recovery, but this recovery is not permanent because for any trend reversal on any market of the world, we need a fundamental factor, we need a news, and right now we don't have any news yet. Yes, the news is on the way, the FOMC and NFP on Thursday and Friday, but right now we don't have the news that will bring a trend reversal on the chart of Euro USD. Right now DXY or DXY is standing at 102.15. This is the current market price. So during the day, if DXY tries to recover also, then we have resistance around 102.90. This will be the resistance for the day. And the next big resistance will be around 103.50. My dear friends, for a trend reversal on DXY, we need DXY above 103.50. Then only we will be able to consider it as a trend reversal. Until and unless DXY is trading below 103.50, okay, the things will be very difficult. And in case it breaks 101.25, the last support, then obviously things will be very critical and bad for DXY. And we will see further upside or good amount of buying on Euro USD. But as of now, we don't have any trend on DXY right now. So this is Euro dollar, and right now Euro USD is standing at 1.0855. This is the current market price. And as you can see that I have also drawn a downward channel here. So this looks like that at this moment Euro USD is trading inside a downward channel. But my dear friends, do not forget that the overall trend is towards the upside. So this market is still under the dominance, still under the influence of buyers, not the sellers. But at this moment, we can see some selling going on the market. Okay, not selling. Okay, some selling pressure. Okay. So if market comes down, okay, if market comes down today, observe the market around 1.0800. The three levels that I have been mentioning for the last couple of days are still the same. 1.0800. This is the first support for Euro USD. If market comes down with good amount of selling pressure, this is the level from where you can expect the market to take some support. In case market breaks also 1.0800, do not take a sell position, because we also have a trend line around this area. So it can be 1.0790, it can be 1.0795 as well. If possible, try to draw a trend line like this. Once you see market bouncing from the trend line, you can go for a buy position. If market breaks it, then do not take a sell position, because what is the overall trend? Overall trend is up. So if you take a sell position, there's a high chance of getting trapped. So instead of taking a sell position, you need to wait for the market to come to the second support of 1.0775 to 1.0765. This is the second support on the chart of Euro USD, and third support around 1.0730 to 1.0720. These two supports are good supports on the chart of Euro USD. In case a heavy sell comes also, then there's a high chance that at least 1.0730 to 1.0720 will be able to provide the required amount of support to the market. Because yesterday on the chart of gold, we saw that when a good amount of selling came, the first good support of 1910 failed, but the second support did the job very well. Here also we have the support around 1.0775, okay, but it may fail also, okay, in case of good selling pressure, and then we will have to wait for 1.0730. See why I'm saying this? Because at this moment, the most important thing that we need to focus here is that market, overall the trend of the market is towards the upside. There is no doubt about it. But at this moment, at present, we can clearly see that market is unable to cross the previous high, and unable, as market is unable to cross the previous high, it signifies that buyers in the market are slowly losing their charm, slowly losing their steam. So as a result, next time there is a possibility that market may break the previous support and come to the next support. Okay, see, I am not saying that this is a complete trend reversal on the chart of Euro USD, but yes, some sort of correction we may see before the news at least. And this is the weekly chart of Euro USD, and we can see that on weekly chart we can see two dojis. Okay, two dojis, and before that, okay, there was kind of a spinning top. So overall market is in indecision. Keep in mind, dojis and spinning tops do not signify trend reversal. They signify indecision in the market. Maybe market is consolidating right now so that it can go up again. In my previous videos also, I have clearly mentioned that overall the whole world is thinking that dollar will be going down after the news. But my dear friends, market is full of surprises. Don't be too confident. Okay, wait for the news, then only place the place the trade. Because in my experience, okay, I have seen that market shocks people very well. If you're wondering about resistance, then we do not have any proper resistance. Yesterday I mentioned that the 50 moving average may act as resistance, and we saw the 50 moving average acting as resistance. But for today, the trend line at the top may act as resistance. Okay, the level will be around 1.0890, the 1.080880. Okay, I cannot give you the exact number because this is a dynamic resistance. If possible, try to join these 2 points here and draw a line, stretch the line. Okay, this level, okay, around this level you can expect the market to act as resistance. Day traders, okay, my dear day traders, okay, for you I have a level around 1.0835. I have one level for day traders mostly. This is not a very strong level or something like that. If the volatility of the market remains slow, if the volatility remains low, okay, I can rhyme also. Then you can expect the market to bounce from this level because of previous strong price rejection around this area. If market bounces, if you see market bouncing from this area, you can consider taking a buy position. If market breaks it, no need to do anything. Forget about 1.0830. Okay, see, no level is permanent in the market. You need to observe the level and then only take the trade. Okay, and my dear friends, lastly, this is the last day for the workshop because the workshop will start from tomorrow. The world's most affordable forex trading workshop that I conduct after every 1 or 2 months. I don't know when I'll be conducting the next workshop. So if you really like my work, if you want to take up trading as a serious source of income, then you can consider joining the workshop. I conduct a workshop in both Hindi and English. The link is in the description. You can see all the details are present. And this is a 3 days workshop, 2 hours every day. Every information you'll find on the website. The date is 2nd, 3rd and 4th of February. And I have also made a questionnaire so that you can understand whether you really need the workshop or not, because the workshop is not for all the people, especially not for complete beginners. This workshop has been designed only for those traders who have been struggling with the market, unable to earn money for the last couple of months and years. I have also shared my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. Okay, so okay, after the workshop you'll also receive support for 1 month. These are the benefits, okay, you'll receive after the workshop so that you can understand how to proceed in the market. This is the world's most affordable workshop. Okay, hopefully I'll be able to provide the required amount of knowledge that you need to change your life. That's all. Bye bye, take care.